That's pretty rough. It'll be much better when done. Oh, it's becoming real. So this is day one of sheetrocking complete. They got the ceiling done in both the living room / kitchen area and in the master / main bedroom and bathroom. And this was a priority so that the spray-in insulation, it's not foam, it's a boy, having trouble with the word. I'll insert the word here. Where'd Marley go? As soon as I figured it out in the editing process. Yes, editing, fun stuff. There's Marley. So hopefully this week all the drywall will be complete. The installation of the ceiling will be complete. And yeah, that'll be a very big milestone. Plans for the kitchen are being finalized. You can see the pipe going up there. That's going to eventually be for the range hood, so that's where the range will be. Talked about that before. And I think that's all I had to say for the moment. So I think today the walls will get at least partially done. And then, then it'll be even more obvious how this place is going to look when it's done. This is a good sized room. No complaints from me about it. Looking forward to this big time. So that corner there is from the original structure, and so this was an outside wall. I might have a picture of it that I insert here, and it comes in just a little bit more. You can kind of see it here. The new part of the structure actually goes out, I don't know, maybe a couple of inches more. So that's going to lead to a slightly eccentric wall. By no means a problem. It's kind of the cool thing about older houses that have been remodeled. You can end up with these little eccentric details, and that's what we've got here. Laundry room wall, insulated. This is actually an internal wall, so this is mostly being done for soundproofing. Bathroom on the other side. Also, it's just nice to keep things as isolated as possible. Anyway, not the neatest job, but this is to be fair to me, this is the first time I've ever actually done this, and it's a lot of stuff in the way. So. Yeah, kind of happy with this. If for no other reason, now we can drywall can get installed, and I can get the washer and dryer in here, and that'll be nice. Another milestone. construction going in this attic. What you doing, Mark, huh? No, you can't go up there. Don't go up there. Stay down here. This is the last bit that needs to have the rough drywall applied before the finish part happens. So that may get started today. This, hey, no, what are you doing? Yeah, you come down here. Don't want you trying to eat the old drywall. Come on, let's go. Marley. So one of the lessons learned along the way of this remodel is that drywall, getting your drywall to this point is the cheap part of the process. And this is basically the drywall has been cut and applied to the wall and put up there and screwed in. Nothing else has been done. Now, getting things to this stage, on the other hand, that takes a lot of time. Multiple applications of the filler material, so you can no longer see the seams between the drywall. And still one or two steps from the final product, which will be the texturing. So yeah, drywall. The drywall itself is a very small part of the overall cost of the process. What are you doing, Mar? Huh? Did you drop that ball on my foot? Did you drop that? Oh boy. Oh. It's not as easy as it looks. Ah, she's got the ball. Okay, let's go inside. Come on. Ooh. Oh, look at that mess. No. Hey, Marley, come here. Good girl. Come here. Give it to me. Come on, Marley. Come on. Here. That's a good girl. That is a good girl. Yes. Good girl. Is that a wrap, Marley? Well, that was a wrapper. Let's call it a wrap. Yeah, that's a wrap.